What's up, guys? So, let's take a break for my Baku tour. So, muna tayo, guys, local. There is a summer promo sa Sky Views and at the top of Burj Khalifa. Guys, I've been more than 10 years or more than a decade here pero hindi ko pa rin napuntahan. So, I decided to book a ticket. But, thank you so much, Bambi, my childhood friend. Sinamahan niya ako. So, nadamay siya sa local league ko. She was with me the whole day. So, nauna kami, guys, sa Sky View. Ang ganda doon. Like, first time, it's 59 dirhams. I'm not sure. Siguro times 2 siguro kung walang promo. But there is a promotion for the UAE resident. So, maganda siya. And then, parang may slide siya, guys. You can check. And it is just near the Dubai Mall. Sky Address Hotel, something like that. 59. Nag-book kami ahead of time. So, we went there around 4:30, ganon. So, it's good kasi dalawang activities ang mapuntahan mo. You are watching Sky Views and then the slide, guys, na like slide lang talaga in second. Siguro yung mga malulula ang tawag nun ay hindi nila kaya, but it's just less than a minute, you know, chicken, easy. So it's nice kasi makita mo yung parang opposite mo, Burj Khalifa, ganon. Tapos makita mo yung downtown, how beautiful paggagawa ng Dubai, Sky Views. So, kayo naman, guys. And then, I convinced Bambi na, Bam, can we do at the top Burj Khalifa? Kasi nakatry na siya, but it was long time ago na daw. Ako talaga, guys, like, never. I just planned kasi hindi natutuloy. So, I have the chance kasi nga, local leave ako. So, it's 99 dirhams. Parang kung normal ito, I think 165. Basta it's UAE residence summer promo. So, sabi ko, Bam, can we do it? So, Bambi is, yes, okay lang dyan. She tried again. So, it's nice. Nakatry. And guys, this is the Burj Khalifa. Yan ang history nila. Ang history ng Burj Khalifa. Paano ginawa? So, ganun, 2006. Natapos pala siya like 2009. And I came in UAE 2010. So imagine, guys, nag-2024 pa ako nakapunta. Actually, last month ba kami graduation. Pero yun sa Armani. Tanaw na tanaw ko din talaga ang at the top. Ang Burj Khalifa mismo. Tanaw na tanaw ko yung structure itself. Guys, the structure itself symbolizes luxury, kung gaano gusto ng Dubai na always number one. And how you appreciate paano naging yung desierto, no? Into that very, very nice architecture. And so proud kasi may mga kabayan din tayong
2009 and I came
part
Dubai
of the
and
team
2010.
na bumuo nito na magawa yung Burj
These
Khalifa.
are the great
So first, parang histories, and then and we choose 6:30. Guys, pag pupunta kayo, I advise it should be weekdays or weekend siguro kasi to avoid the crowded areas. Ito nga, nag-crowded na nga kasi Tuesday pa to, but the prime spot is 6:30 kasi. It's very nice. Kasi you can see the sunset, guys. Yan, titingnan mo. It's very nice to see a sunset. Diba? So, parang dahil 124 floor in just 40 seconds. 40 seconds or 1 minute. 828 meters, guys, ang the tallest ang ng Burj Khalifa. So that one, we are inside the lift or sa ating elevator. Very nice. Meron siyang mga digital na like mga history. And here it goes. It so happen na Chinek ko kasi guys yung yung prayer time namin mag-read. So yan ang pa-sunset eh. So we choose that 6:30. So you enjoy the view, di ba? Super. Ganda. Then inside, parang may sila. Paandar. Hindi naman ako tatakot. I know it's very safe, guys. Aside from having a luxury building, Dubai is one of the safest. So yun. See guys, makikita mo yung fountain area. So nice. Ganda siguro kung nagdo-drone ka dito. Pero it's not allowed in Dubai. You have to get permission kasi. But it's really nice guys. You know what? Like I feel tourista mood. That is their hagdanan. I feel tourista mode after 14 years in Dubai, UAE. Kasi nga hindi ko siya na-try. So guys, kayo, if you have any chance, my chance kayo, you should try. Although it's never too late. Always, never too late. So di ba ang ganda, medyo wala pang hindi pa madilim until the sunset tapos lights. Nakita na namin yung lights, di ba? So yung two sides or two face, makikita mo yung wala pang ilaw, yung natural pa lighting, and then yung gabi na. Kasi you don't have limit there. As long as you're there na, pag andun ka na, wala nang limit. Kailan ka bababa. Ikaw na lang bahala kung napagod ka na. Napagod ka na, baba ka na. So, na-enjoy naman namin ni Bam. Pagpunta namin dun, wala pang hindi pa madilim. So, pa-sunset. So, nag-picture kami. And then, abutan pa namin yung isang fountain show sa Dubai. Diba? So, super sulit lang. So, ganun lang guys. Until August 31 ata sila. You can try. Sa mga hindi pa nakatry. Resident kasi. Naka-nice. Give time. If you have off on weekdays, it's very nice. Sa akin guys, I just have a chance. Kasi and if I stay in my home, hindi ko nga pigilang mag-email. So, bayad na kasi yung araw mo. Charity na lang. Although we always do it, the love of the job. Ganun lang. Guys, ang ganda. At least I've tried kita ang foundation at literal lang gagawin mo lang doon na titingnan ang the view of Burj Khalifa. Yan, entrance yan in the area. And that's the tickets. So medyo nauna pala yung night view. So that's the before the night guys. Dapat yan. Diba ang ganda? Natutuwa nga kami kasi parang nag-guess lang kami. Try and error lang kami sa sunset. Ganda guys. Makikita mo. Kasi parang Burj Khalifa kasi sinorvey siya na center. Kahit sa Sharjah mo, bandang Sharjah, makikita mo pa rin like sa safe zone area. Makikita mo pa rin yung top ng Burj Khalifa. Parang yun, sinorvey siya na makikita siya ng kahit saang anggulo. So guys, it was really a day na, and bonus, yan, USA player yan sila guys. I miss they play here, they play sa Abu Dhabi. Yan, sa din, si Derek White daw sa Boston. And the Angel, ayun. Thank you so much kay Bambi na game niyang picturean niya ako. So, yun. And it was really fulfilling our day is very productive. As in, super productive. And thank you so much, Bambi, na sinamahan mo ako. At least, I've tried. Guys, thank you so much sa mga UAE resident dyan. Why not? Give a try. At least naka-promo siya. And thank you so much, UAE, for giving us the chance for the growth personally, and then giving a chance to give a better life to our family. Malayo pa, pero malayo na. Ang buhaton sana. Basta, all I can see is I'm grateful. It's my 14 years in UAE, so tama lang din talaga na puntahan na ang the top 14 years na eh. So all I can say is thank you. Thank you. And guys, always be positive. Keep going. Laban lang until sa finals. Thank you so much, guys. Please like, subscribe, follow, and it's a wrap. Thank you, Bambi, for the day. We end up eating. Thank you so much. Thank you.